Jennifer Lopez, 55, continues to prove that age is just a number as she stuns fans with her radiant, youthful glow. This week, the singer and entrepreneur revealed her secret to flawless skin while promoting her highly anticipated JLo Beauty Glow Kit for the holiday season. Jennifer Lopez, the multi-talented icon who seems to defy the aging process, took to social media to introduce her fans to her latest beauty must-have. Dressed in a shimmering gold turtleneck sweater, the superstar was a vision of holiday glamour as she announced the return of her coveted glow kit from the JLo Beauty collection. The festive release, which was an instant sellout last year, promises to deliver everything fans need for head-to-toe radiance, just in time for the holiday season. In the video, Lopez spoke with excitement, explaining that due to overwhelming demand, the limited edition kit was making a triumphant return for the holidays. "This sold out so fast last year I couldn't believe it," she remarked, before introducing each product in the luxurious set. Lopez, glowing with her signature honey blonde waves framing her face, guided her audience through the components of the kit, which includes essentials like a cleanser, serum, eye cream, SPF, and moisturizer. She also touted the benefits of the kit's overnight hustle, body serum, body cream, and the unique booty balm, designed to firm and hydrate the skin for a youthful appearance. As a final touch, buyers will be treated to two of JLo's favorite sheet masks, which she swears by to maintain her flawless complexion. In typical JLo style, the kit wouldn't be complete without a bit of bling. Those who purchase the set will also receive a glamorous JLo Beauty Bling cup, a sparkling reusable water cup that Lopez herself uses to promote the importance of hydration. With a cheeky smile, Lopez revealed that the contents of her cup are simple but essential: water. Hydration is key, she emphasized to her fans, reinforcing the message that glowing skin begins from within. As she wrapped up the promotional video, Lopez exuded confidence, telling viewers that this kit contains everything you need to tighten, firm, and hydrate for youthful, radiant skin. Her confidence in her products reflects her personal journey with skincare, as she has long been known for her radiant, ageless beauty. With her JLo Beauty line, she's giving fans the chance to achieve the same glow that has made her a global icon. Lopez's Glow Kit is more than just a skincare routine. It's a promise of empowerment, a chance for anyone to feel as radiant and youthful as the superstar herself. In addition to her beauty promotion, Lopez turned her attention to an equally important message: voting. Taking a playful yet impactful approach, she encouraged her massive following of 250 million to participate in the upcoming 2024 presidential election. Seated at a piano with actress Jennifer Lewis and vocal coach Stevie Mackey, Lopez delivered a catchy jingle urging fans to get out and vote. The fun and spirited tune, led by Lewis, included the line, "I don't care who you are or where you work, get your and vote," emphasizing the significance of every voice in the democratic process. The joint Instagram post simply read, "Vote," and Lopez's playful approach to politics resonated with fans and fellow celebrities alike. As Jennifer Lopez continues to inspire with her glowing skin and active engagement in social causes, she proves that beauty and empowerment go hand in hand. Whether she's sharing her skincare secrets or encouraging civic responsibility, Lopez's influence shows no signs of slowing down. This holiday season, fans can indulge in the magic of her JLo Beauty Glow Kit while being reminded of the importance of making their voices heard at the polls, because with JLo, it's all about radiance, inside and out.